Hey guys, we got a couple of interior accessories for the Maverick that came in from Amazon. Just remember, I will leave a link in the description for all items installed in this truck. And please follow and subscribe if you like the information I'm giving you. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Oh my goodness, what? It's a cover to go below the radio controls to fill in that blank area to make it black to match everything else. Raised Maverick lettering for the tailgate. We get those put on. Cargo organizer compartments for the inside of the cargo area. That's an easy install. And last but not least, here's an oversized cargo bin that fits behind the display. So we'll get all this stuff installed and show you what it's like. Now guys, there's one thing about the Maverick that I didn't really like. This little storage space behind the display is small and you almost can't see it. That's where this comes into play. Real simple. Just drop it in. Now it raises it up and you got more storage to put more stuff. And it also comes with the rubber pads to put in here to keep stuff from sliding. And here's another rubber pad to go down in the bottom to keep stuff from sliding. So I guess with the Maverick, they kind of thought of everything. So you can see the difference now. You can just store stuff, and what you got stored, you can actually see it. I like this product, and remember, the link to this product will be in the description for Amazon. Another thing I'm not too crazy about the Maverick is look how, well, you got your radio controls here, but then it kind of looks kind of cheap with this plastic stuff around here. So I got the answer to that. I got this cover with 3M tape on the back. So basically what we're going to do is just stick it down on here. And it's going to give it more like a factory look where everything kind of blends in. It matches the display and also goes down, matches the controls and everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it put on. Let's remove all the sticky backing first. Okay guys, so we got this little panel mounted in. Looks just like part of the truck. I'll leave the link to this in the description to Amazon if you want to purchase one of these. They didn't cost that much, but as a nice addition to the truck between this and the storage tray up top, I'm kind of impressed. Go Maverick. Hey guys, so as far as storage goes, there's one thing I like about the Maverick console and one thing I don't like about it. I like the fact that it's large inside, as you can see. It's pretty deep down there. But you gotta have some kind of way to organize everything. So I found a solution to that. I bought this 2-tray organizer set from Amazon. I'll leave it the description and the link for you guys if you want to check into it. But the first one, this fits in like that. And they got the little rubber inserts to keep things from sliding around. I guess a drawback is this particular one here has to be flattened out. You know where it came from. Has to be flattened out, so I imagine over time it'll go flat. And then the second one, top layer, this goes in like that. It has provisions for things like coins, credit cards. Not that you would leave credit cards in there. I know I wouldn't. But it's really nice because you can organize your stuff in this big, huge console. And the good thing about it is once you have these in there, and after you take this one out, you still got room down in the bottom to hide stuff. So this Maverick really has potential. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And please feel free to like and subscribe so I can continue providing you with these top-notch quality videos with products from Amazon. And over time, I'll let you know whether they were worth it or not. Love you guys.